my channel. It is Brittany. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, we have another human hair wig review, and today's video is brought to you by MyFirstWig. So shout out to MyFirstWig for sponsoring today's video. I have this short bob for you guys, which is going to be perfect for spring, summer. So I'm going to start off by doing an unboxing and do a styling portion for you guys, and then we'll get into my thoughts. This is a glueless install because, baby, I don't feel like melting down lace every day. I've talked about this before. With glueless installs, there can be some, pros and cons with it, just like there are pros and cons with melting your lace. So if you would like to see the unboxing and the styling of this wig, then just keep on watching. Back. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the specs on this wig. So this is the MyFirstWig KIANA wig. So it has real HD Swiss lace, so it's skin melting and virtually invisible. But you guys know lace is not skin, so it's virtually invisible. So it's close to it, but it'll never be completely invisible. So it's 100% human hair, soft and smooth, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, beginner friendly. So with my specs, I have the Malaysian human hair side part bob lace front wig. I have 10 inches, so this is very short. This is about as short as I go on my channel. I don't really do pixie cuts, but this is a really cute crop style. And I have the silky texture. I don't know if they have it in yaki. Let me see if they do. Oh yeah, they do have yaki if you want that. They have two cap sizes. Cap size 1, which is 21.5 to 22 inches, and then they have cap size 2, which is 22 inches, 22.5 inches to 23 inches. So I have a larger head, so I would go with a size 2, and you can get up to 16 inches with this wig. So with all of my specs being lightly bleached and all that, it's $197.90. It's already pre-plucked. It has nice HD Swiss lace, and the knots already bleached for you. I did very minimal plucking on it because they actually did pluck the hairline. I decided to wear this glueless, as I told you guys, because I don't feel like melting my wigs every day, okay? And when you have a human hair wig or a synthetic wig that has really good lace, you don't always have to do that. So for the camera, I did tint my lace a little bit with my contour, well, with my leftover contour that was on my contour brush, so it wouldn't come off, you know, too light on camera. But when I went outside, you will see my lace because, first of all, I didn't melt it down and it's glueless, and that's one of the That's one of the cons about doing glueless installs. It won't have that super nice melt like if you use some even adhesive spray or something like that. And because I did tint the lace for the camera, it is kind of dark outside. This is a kind of lace you don't have to tint. So as I said in a different video, if you're not a YouTuber and you're not in front of a bunch of lights, you don't have to tint it because their lace looks good. It also depends on your complexion, but I don't feel like I had to tint this lace for, you know, outdoors and stuff. But for the camera, I did have to do that because I didn't want to come off ashy, but it looks good. So the fit on this cap is very nice. I have a cap size 2 and I use the adjustable elastic band that they have, and that's why I can wear this glueless, because they have the adjustable elastic band and they have nice lace. So this is what we have here. Okay, so what I decided to do to make this even easier to wear glueless is I cut behind the hairline on the side because it's a side part. I brought out some of my edges around my ear and at my temple, and it looks natural that way. So I started doing this, especially with like Bobbi Boss Camille. A lot of the wigs from that particular collection with Bobbi Boss was too small for my head, so I just worked with the wig and brought out my edges. This will work with my edges, but I just was like, if I'm going to wear it glueless, I'm going to just bring out a little bit of my edges and make it easier on myself. And I cut around the ear as well, and boom. So you don't have to adhere the whole hairline with your wigs. You can kind of fake it out and bring out some of your own edges if you have them to do that. My hair underneath is not super flat, but this still looks good. This is cute. This is cute. A very nice, simple style for the summer if you don't want to be hot. In the South, it is so hot already. It's like 80 plus. So I know what it's like to be burning up in a wig. What was I wearing? I was wearing Sensational's Adana probably a week or so ago, and I had back sweat, and I was like, oh, we can't wear her anymore. This is the kind of wig you want to reach for this kind of weather. This is very cute and lightweight. And if you're somebody like me that likes yaki textured wigs, definitely, you know, go with the yaki texture versus this. This is really cute. So with styling, I just used my Conair hot comb here. I got it from Target. I'll have it linked below. And I use my Densley flat iron as well. I'm wearing this right out the pack, so I did have a lot of flyaways. So I'm also using my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine serum here to kind of control some of my flyaways. I use the wax stick that they provide to lay my edges down. I usually would use my She Is Bomb edge control, but it's in my downstairs bathroom. Didn't feel like getting it, so I used my Style Factor edge booster, and I think this is the pineapple scent. It smells so good, and it does the same thing as the She Is Bomb edge control for me. I have heard some people say it leaves a white residue, but for right now it's not doing that. So very easy install. You can't really go wrong with a style like this. And when I tell you guys all the time, I've been working with MyFirstWig for years. They are one of my favorite human hair companies because they're relatively affordable, but they provide a lot of good quality wigs. Yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig, you can head over to MyFirstWig and pick it up there. I have all the specs on this wig. I think the density is 130, if I'm not mistaken. It'll be in the description box for you guys. If they have any sales or anything going on, all the information will be in the description box for you guys. Shout out to MyFirstWig for sponsoring today's video. And shout out to you guys for tuning in and showing support. Subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to follow my Amazon storefront and shop all of my categories there. I have everything from wigs to fashion to pet supplies, everything over there. Thank you to everybody who continues to shop my Amazon storefront. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.